Hello, come with me to make my favorite detox tea. This is a mint leaf, which is good for digestion. I've got carrots and lemon, which are also very good. That's vitamin A and vitamin C. This is a watermelon. I'm using watermelon because I don't want to add water in it. So also, I've got my ginger and my turmeric. I slice them to make things easy for me. So now that's my juicer, and I've got my bottles where I'm going to be storing them in. So this detox tea is very good. You can take it in the morning, first thing in the morning, and the last thing at night. That's a funnel that I'm going to be using to fill it in the bottle. I love to take this tea because it's not really tea but juice, but I call it tea because I do add some other things to it when I'm ready to drink it. So this detox is very good. You don't have to drink it all because it's going to be very concentrated. You can just add a little bit in your hot water when you boil your hot water. Add a little bit into it. Add a little bit into it. Another thing you can do is take your pot, add some cloves, cinnamon, bay leaf if you want, and some black pepper. Add it in the pot and boil it. Once you boil it together, let it cool down, then you can add a shot of this juice into it so that you can have a good tea. It's very good because it helps you sleep better and all of that. It's really just makes you calm and all relaxed. It's good to take it first thing in the morning. You can also take it before you sleep. So this is me mixing everything together. I make sure I've got the right proportion of each of these ingredients to make the juice so that one is not much more concentrated than the other one. So I had my watermelon, my mint leaf, lemon, ginger and everything. I had them bit by bit so that I can have the quantity that contains all of those ingredients in them. I always encourage people to drink this because we need to look after ourselves. We really need to look after ourselves. Don't just ignore yourself, especially if you're in a country where I am. The atmosphere is not as clean as we can think about it. So you need to get something that can actually detoxify your system. It is very good to detoxify your system. Look at it. I've got a beautiful juice there. So like I was saying, it is very good to look after your health. You can walk all day, walk. If you know your health, know your body, one day the body is going to crash down on you because our body gives us signs. It lets us know that it needs this, it needs this or that. But most of us, we don't pay attention. We don't pay attention to our body system, and that is why one day it just takes the rest that it needs by itself. I try to shake it together so that I can have the consistency that I want. So I put that into my bottle. Wow, I'm so glad I got about 5 bottles from this juice. See, this 5 bottles can actually last for some time because what I'm going to do is I'm going to store it in the freezer. I'm just going to take one out and put it in the fridge. The rest of it I'm going to put it in the freezer so I can preserve it. Because you see this one bottle, you should be able to use it 3 times because it is very concentrated. That is why I did not add water to it. I added watermelon, which serves as the water and also benefiting your body as well. So you see, it's looking so nice and beautiful already. It's looking so nice and beautiful already. Family, this is so good. This is so nice. So if you love this, kindly subscribe to my channel and let us enjoy this together.